Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about pitfalls when it comes to home renovations. I've had recently a lot of people reach out to me, which will be the very first pitfall of home renovations that they need to legalize their work. So here's the issue. It doesn't take much to just ask what needs permits or not, because that's one of the common pitfalls where people think that, oh, I'm just doing certain things inside my home, it's my house, it won't be a big deal. But at the end of the day, if you're moving a wall, making a bigger opening, anything that relates to any structural elements, or even redoing some electrical plumbing work, the plumber and electrician may need to do permits for you. All of that needs some form of oversight to make sure it's done right for the safety, welfare, and health of the people using the space. So I always tell clients it takes nothing to give me a call and ask me, do I need you or not? And then you can move forward and not have to pay double the fees for the permits. Or I actually am working with a client who needs to rebuild his whole new entrance to their basement because they did it without permits and it was built incorrectly. So at that point, you're spending twice as much because it wasn't done correctly from the start. Another pitfall that I see clients go about is that they rush into selecting the lowest price for a contractor. And I always tell them, get 3 to 5 prices because you want to look at all the variables. Of course, cost is super important, but also does the cost include everything that was shown in the drawings, which we curated very specifically to you when we're doing those designs. Also, how do you feel about the contractor themselves? Are they talkative as well as much as you want them to be? Do you feel like they're as organized as you want them to be? Everyone's different. Some people need that very structured schedule, need to know every little detail. Some people are comfortable with letting them do the work and them just sitting back and hearing rough summaries. So you need to really understand that within yourself to pick the right contractor for you, because the experience is quite big when it comes to bringing this project to life. And a third pitfall that I can think of that many people go into is falling into the idea of wanting to match specific images on Pinterest or something they saw HGTV. I love those inspirations. Like I always ask clients, send me photos. I want to know what's in your mind, what style you're looking for. The pitfall is when you get so enticed and focused on that one specific solution that when I come back and sometimes it's not feasible, like you can't really do it based on code or maybe because of your budget, it's a hard hit on you. So being open-minded, but also knowing the direction you want to go for will make the process so much easier when it comes to designing and bringing the project to life. I always love to give at least 2 design options when we're doing schematic design because I want to reflect what the client has told me almost to a T in comparison to the code, of course. But then the second option, I show them a completely different version that I think works best. And more often than not, we end up going with that version or we create a blend of both because 2 options is one can design something multiple times. Like I can do like 12 iterations of the same house, but it's too many options and you get confused. So I like to start with 2 or 3 to kind of see what you like or don't like, and then we can fine tune that layout that really works for you. Same things goes with materials and millwork design, etc. So open-mindedness but still knowing what you want is very helpful. So I hope these 3 pitfalls kind of give you an idea of what to look out for or be conscious of when you're doing a home renovation.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, We focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.